Okay, I think I see what I was confused by. Do you mind if I just mute my mic because I'm hearing like a lot of noise on my end?
Okay, you can, no
Okay.
problem.
Mm, okay, I'm back. So, after analyzing all the methods, I think we can see that we have getters and setters for the attributes, and then we move into the first custom method that we need to define the functionalities for, which is public double cell and integer number of books. And here I define how you have to like read the UML diagram, because the way it's displayed, it says, okay, we have a method called discount number of books, and then the data type of this variable over here, and then outside of that we have this double value. And what the value outside here, what this data type outside here defines, is the return type of the whole method itself. So when we define the method here, we say public double cell integer number of books. That's how you would go about like reading the UML diagram, in a sense. I don't know if that like answers your question, because I'm like like trying to go along, but like seeing where you're having the problem. So if you have any input, you can just let me know.
Okay, I understand what you mean. So, okay,
Mm.
okay, I understand. I'm looking at the image I just sent you, and I understand what you mean now.
Is it more clear in terms of what you were trying to like understand or grasp?
Yes,
Okay, cool, cool, cool.
Okay, let me just,
So can we move into arrays from here if you're okay with that? Because I think that
um,
pretty much covers classes. I'll also send you like other notes that I made just to get like the understanding of like how classes function and stuff like that.
okay, no problem. You can do so. Oh,
Okay, yeah, these are the notes that I'm talking about. Okay, cool. And then I'm gonna go back here. Nope. And then working with parallel arrays. So I won't even lie to you. I honestly shy away from parallel arrays because it's not something you come along very often. But like, it's a good concept to grasp because it's like, let's say you were trying to create a table of some sorts, and as we know, like tables consist of rows and columns. So like, whenever we're working with like parallel arrays, what we're trying to mimic in a sense is a table
yes,
because one of these storages would be the rows and the next one would be the column. So how we would define this would be, let me just start typing. Yo, haven't done this in ages. I think it goes something like this. Um, zero, and then one. Okay, I'm just gonna start with 0, 0. Um, yo, pardon me for being like a bit not slow, man, but like I'm forgetting how this functions for some odd reason. And then, uh, Alrighty. Are there any questions from your end? I'm just gonna grab a textbook quick and like double check my knowledge because I'm like
Okay.
80% confident, and 80 is not good enough. You need 100%. Um. So any questions?
No, no, not yet. Not yet.
Alrighty.
So the first one will always be the row and the second one always the column.
Yeah, yeah. Because that's the thing. If I was like to add another like square bracket, it would move from two-dimensional to three-dimensional. So like that's how you would go about visualizing like parallel arrays, because it's like you know that you're working with multiple arrays. But I'm okay. Wait, I think I low key not got this wrong, but I'm working with two-dimensional arrays and not parallel arrays. Parallel arrays are completely different because it's like parallel arrays, right? So like the same way we were working with rows and columns here, right? It would be, let's say we have a table, because I was working with like students as an example. We would have student names as one array, and then the next array would be student numbers. Let me take that as another example, right? So what
Okay.
parallel arrays are is like we have two separate arrays, but they are working concurrently with each other. They're working together. That's why we would go about using parallel arrays. I was mistaking it for two-dimensional arrays, and that's a mistake on my end. I apologize.
It's okay.
And the only reason I'm declaring student number as like strings is because like if we made it integers, it would just make the process of like working with both arrays quite difficult, because now we're going to have to like either convert the integers into strings or the strings into, yeah. That's why I'm just declaring both of them as what you called
Uh,
string arrays. Okay, I think I see what I was confused by.